Hello. If we have a basic knowledge of C++ programming, we can ready to open the Unreal Engine and start making the some classes in the engine. We will create a class based on the actor class, then learn how to make a blueprint based off our actor. In this video, we will create the C++ class from actor, generate the files, and talk about the we will talk about the tick and begin play and new properties macros and new function macros component. We will add the static mesh, getting the setting and actors rotation and location, or also if you want you can set the scale. So we want to create the class C++ by actor. So before go we need to make our project. I'm going to create for example here new project Melis Ali Olu. Okay, let's rename it. What's going on? Okay, sorry. I'm going to create here a new project C++ and Melis Ali Olu CP CP. If you see here, they don't allow us to it don't allow us to use more than 20 characters. So because of that, I'm going to just short the C++ for CP, and I'm going to create this. We don't need retrace now, and I'm going to create that. It take a while, don't worry, and definitely that's automatically generate our C++ in Visual Studio. I think this is compatible with the Unreal Engine, so let's see how can use it. That definitely automatically define header and CPP class, CPP file for us, and but there's a one thing here I will show. Let's start the compiling. After opening, I will back. Okay, right now our Unreal Engine opened, and our project is created in this file. For example, this is my path, and this is my C++. For example, project. So right now we need to create. C++ class actor. So in version 4 we can use C++ here, this shortcut menu, but we need to come here, new C++ class, create, select the actor, because we have a plan to create the actor. Actor is the class. We wanna create the object from this class. And anything we will create here is instantiated with this actor class. Okay, so let's do create that. Okay, create. This is because this is my first actor. I'm going to create the actor class in our Melis project. So that will be go to in its source. So let's create. See, as soon as possible that generate our first actor header and first actor CCP. So this is for example our this is our main section of our file for our C++ class, and this first actor C++ will run from here. Let's see. Right now we need to see let's just reload. All better run it. Let's run it. That's close, don't worry about it. You can run this program, and it's take sometimes while to opening the Unreal, and let's see what will show up here. Visual Studio is, for me, is annoying in my idea. This is my perspective about Visual Studio. I don't like it, to be honest. This is, I think better they find good IDE for Unreal Engine. When you're running that, definitely be sure the Unreal is closed, and when you're running that, that will restart your Unreal. Yeah, so I think our C++ class generated here, and our first actor class exists here. So right now we need to a little see how this yeah, okay, let's see how we can use our first actor. So let's test it. This is our output log. If you don't have here, we can come here, Windows, and active your output log. Kind of a script editor in the Maya, and you can clear that and clean it, and also you can filter it from here. Let's see how can I use it. For temporary time, let's before we start to go to move forward. So this is the core of the Unreal Engine modules. That's automatically that is our project file that creating our first class, okay, and its panels is actor. It's a public here, and that's generating the body. This is the public. This is the protected. This is the this is, for example, public for running this first actor. Protected, that is begin play function, member function, that can be overridden. Override, you know about it, and I don't like explain. It means you can modify here and do something here. Okay. The rest, the second one should be again public. It's the tick function. The parameter or argument is delta time. Again, this is also override, and its type is virtual, and you can override that. Kind of that they are using the polymorphism system. So begin play, it means anything you typing here or that will run one time. The tick runs every frame, and for example 60 frame in 1 second or 120 frame in 1 second. So next for test that better, I'm going to use about the super. The super is the, for example, the it's called the parent of the tick. For example, it's calling the parent of the begin play, and they are running behind this, and similar here. This calling the parent of the tick information, and this also calling the begin play. Next, so let's try to use afterlook. Let's use the afterlook. Okay. So how can I use, for example, afterlook for temporary? We can use instead print, because this doesn't have a print kind of print something. This we can use Unreal log. I guess, yeah, Unreal log. So if you put the parentheses here, you will see that telling category name, verbosity, format. So format should For example, if you need information about that, just double click on it and right click and F2, okay, and go to definition, and you will get the information, for example, category, verbosity, and format. And the verbosity. So next you can also come here and again right click F12 again. That will give the another information here, and about the verbosity, and see, for example, here you can get information about the verbosity. There are enum format of the elog verbosity, and you can get the information about it, enum verbosity, for example, in your documentary. Easier, that is really easy for find that. If you type, for example, if you come here, for example, Unreal C++ API references, for example, in verbosity, yeah, level, okay, if you type that, or output pass, let's click on level, so that's giving the information about the level verbosity, about warning, errors, logs, or something. I'm going to use here for temporary. I'm going to use a log, the type log temp, I guess, temp, log temp. Why it doesn't have log temp. Okay, I'm going to use log temp, and verbosity warning, yeah, warning, and next format, see that telling format string literal style of print. Okay, so I'm going to use string text, and inside the text I'm going to type, for example, delta time is, and the format of the delta time is float, and this delta argument coming here, parameter coming here as a delta argument. And let's try. There's a tip here, a little boring here for me. Let's see what's going on. We have a compiler here in the live mode, and let's compile that first. See, telling compiling change for live coding. Okay, this is really good tools here. So now our log, if I play that, didn't show our print of delta time. Let's clear that. So why? Because we need to import our first class inside. Let's see. Yeah, I guess. Oh, sorry, my wrong. See, if I import that here, my first actor will show up here, and but right now if I play that, nothing happening here. no printing something. So why? Even though we using the line code, because we need to compile it here, and because of that it's so interesting. Need to compile it because we already built our project type no. Don't worry about it. This is for build because we don't like to build it. We just try to compile it, okay? And let's now come back our Unreal and play again. Again, nothing happened. Again, need to compile it live. When you're compiling in the other side, this a little take a time. Need to sleep. Need to take a nap. Because of that, I think Blueprint is really nice. Should be really happy the Blueprint created. Compiling changes for live coding. Try to update. Compiling changes for live coding. Still okay. Yep. See, right now doing that. Let's clear that. Now, if I play again, this time works. See, and that's printing our delta time. So very nice. So let's start. Let's clear that. And this time let's put our log in the begin play. Okay, let's see what's going on. Again, need to compile no, and see right now if you do again play that will not works, and that will be I guess that will be repeat the tick function. See? Yeah. But we need to clear compile from live coding. That telling live coding fail. Okay, no worries. Let's come back here. Yeah, do you know why? Because we don't have a delta time parameter or argument here. So let's do something else. Okay, I think in our actor delta time float exists here. Let's for temporary, because I don't like use the variable right now, because some people don't know that how to create the variable, and I'm going to create, for example, this, type here okay delta time nothing. Okay, let's see what's going on. Compile. No. Okay, one error for bold, and let's try again. Clear and play. This is the old one. It's still printing the tick. Let's play again our run our compiler. That right now is works. Let's clear that. If I play that, let's see what's happening here. Just only one time begin play. Just only one time printing that. Even though our runtime is playing. Okay, it's nice. We print this nothing, but let's do a little play with the variable float delta time. Okay, delta time, and let's go here and create this time again. Let's come back our float, and here we use dt. Okay, so we initialized here, and we can use this variable here, but right now this is empty, is completely known. We need to put information inside, and let's use the get world, and get world is the pointer class. Okay, is a object pointer class, kind of object pointer class, we can say. It's a pointer, so here is the object pointer of this uWorld, because it's object pointer class. Okay, it's of this uWorld. So let's, because pointer, and definitely a little bit time. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's wait to load that. So we need to get delta second. Okay, delta second. And so right now our variable will get this information that we put this container. The delta second is delta time. Let's compile it, and next no, and come here, see, let's clear that, play. Oh, before to compile here from here. Compiling. Need to be patient. done. Let clear, play, and countdown. See, because one time we're running this, that giving the 0 0. Okay, and if a little, let's go modify. So if we use dt here and plus equal delta time, okay, and if bring here Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and see here V delta time, okay, and let comment upper one. So this is our delta time and this is our dt. Let's see, let's type here dt variable dt. Okay, let's try what's going on. Compile, no, and come here to see what's going on in the log. Compile from live coding. The golden action starts. We have a error. We should check that why. Oh, successful. So let's see what's going on. Play, stop. So the delta time in the begin play added on here because this was 8334. Okay, this added on the 0 and next this added again the delta time 400 on the 400,000 on the this, that being this one. And let's try another one, and this time instead of added, I'm going to use only dt now and see what's going on. No, and play, compiling, changing. Okay, successful, clear log. play, stop. Let's see what they are printing here. See, that's only initialized one time. See, 0 0 0, but this keep going. Okay, let's change it. So because we get the delta time only one time. Okay, if I put this here, we take this time will be exactly the same. Let's try. No. Clear. Okay. Let clear and play now. See, they are exactly the same. The dt is this value, delta time is this value. This value for dt, this value for delta time. Okay, so uh, the begin play is an important function in Unreal Engine game programming. It's called at the start of actor's lifetime. This means the start of the game for actors that are already in the level. So we put, for example, anything happen is in the start of the lifetime when the actor, this actor is in the level. Okay, this in the level. First actor when putting here is in the level start only one starts the lifetime at the beginning.